In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the payment method on Google Play Store. So, in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem in less than 1 minute. First thing, open settings, go to the apps, open the apps and go to the Google Play Store. Click on the power usage details and click down here on force stop. Go back, click again on this force stop. Click on the permissions. Make sure that all permissions are enabled. Go back to the apps manager page, click on Google Play Services and then disable it from here and enable it again. And now last thing you want to do is restart your phone or turn it off and on again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much.